You are welcome to today's class. Today's topic is range. What is range? Range is the difference between highest frequency and lowest frequency. Please, if you are yet to subscribe, make sure that you subscribe right now. All you need to do is to locate the subscription button. So range is equals to highest frequency minus lowest frequency. Find the range of the following. We have 1, 2, 4, 5, and 7. The highest frequency here is 7. So we are going to have 7 minus. And the lowest frequency is 1. 7 minus 1 will give us 6. That's our answer. Let's solve question 2. We have 5, 3, 3, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8. So range is equals to highest frequency minus lowest frequency. The highest frequency here is 8, while the lowest frequency is 3. So we are going to have 8 minus 3, which will give us 5. I want to encourage you to find the range of the following data and put your answer in the comment section. See you next class. Make sure that you love mathematics because there is beauty in mathematics. Thank you.